In this guided meditation, we will focus on utilizing our breath as a powerful tool to enhance concentration and mental clarity. By calming the mind and centering our thoughts, we can create a focused mindset that allows us to tackle challenges with renewed energy and precision. To maximize the effectiveness of this meditation, it's essential to find a serene and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This environment should allow you to relax fully, enabling your mind to focus entirely on the meditation process without external interruptions or distractions. Setting your intention is a critical step that directs your focus during meditation. Take a moment to reflect on what you wish to achieve, be it clarity, creativity, or productivity. Visualizing your goals helps reinforce your purpose, creating a powerful mental framework for success throughout this meditation. We will begin with a deep breathing technique that promotes relaxation and focus. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts, holding the breath for another 4 counts, then exhale slowly through your mouth over 4 counts. This rhythmic breathing helps calm your mind and center your thoughts. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a bright, radiant light hovering above your head. With each inhalation, imagine this light descending into your mind, illuminating your thoughts and clearing away distractions. This powerful visualization enhances mental clarity, providing a sense of focus and calmness throughout the meditation. Embracing the present moment is vital for effective meditation. Remain fully aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. If distractions or worries arise, acknowledge them gently and redirect your focus back to your breath and the illuminating light, fostering a deeper connection to your inner self. As we conclude the meditation, gradually bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Begin by wiggling your fingers and toes to connect with your body. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Carry this newfound focus and clarity into your day, applying it to your daily activities.